Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to another drone video. So yeah, today is a nice sunny day. Usually I do my intros before taking off the drone, but today I just decided let me take off the drone first, then do the intro. So you just get right into the video. So yeah, we're here at I'm here at a place called Little Ilford Park in East London, and yeah, we're just gonna get a nice shot of this area. So as you can see straight down, this is where I'm flying from. I'm going to start with the 364. So I've flown here before, flown here back in November last year. Now it's May right now, so we're going to just do a 360 photo. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to explore the area. So let's get a nice static shot of this. We're just going to stay here for a bit, have a nice static shot of it, and then we'll just explore. So let's check out this side first. I just want to see what's down here. Since the wind's going this side, I'm going to go this side first, so that when you come back we won't have trouble. Because when we're low on battery, we really need it. Alright, so we're just going to explore this side first. Just going to see what's down here. So there's not much, it's just a residential area, this area. I just want to explore what's down here. I'm just going to go down. So yeah, we've got some buildings here. Let's go a little bit down here as well. So we've got another little recreation ground over here. And yeah, we've also got a train station. So yeah, the drone's struggling a little bit coming back, but it's fine because we've got full battery at the moment. If we were low on battery, then this would be a problem. That's why I decided to go west first, because the wind's going westbound. And we've got a little building over here. I think it's a gas grid. Just going to get a nice shot of that. I'll explore down here. So yeah, there's no way to get to this area. Like, I tried to look on the maps, but there's no way to get there. So there's a bus going down there. Let's follow that as well. Get a nice static shot of it. And then we've got the gas grid. Gonna get a nice static shot of this. Let's come back a little bit as well. Alright, let's turn around. Get a nice shot while we're here. I didn't turn around fully, but we're just gonna explore what's down here. So, got a little, I don't know what that is, a little building down here as well. And then we've got some buildings down there as well. We're going to explore that as well. We're going to go near that big tower. I'm going to get a shot of that as well. So yeah, let's get a nice shot. Alright, starting back now. Get a shot of that. Car going this way. So yeah, I'm flying from down here. Let's explore this side as well while we're here. Then we're gonna go towards the east. We're gonna go a bit north after. So yeah, it's just a little residential area. Let's get a tour of this building. And then we get a nice sideways shot of this. Let's try and go a little bit lower this time. So we've got a DHL lorry over here. We'll go this side. So I'm going to stay static and I'm going to walk towards that side so we can get a better shot of that side. So yeah, I'm trying to bring my bike here as well. Just going to walk it. And we're just going to stay static as we go towards it. So that we're not too far from the drone. And we're going to go a little bit forward as well to get a little bit of a forward shot. Go a little bit this way. So I'm just going to leave my drone up here as we walk towards it. I'm just going to stay static now. So this is to get a better shot of these buildings down here. I'm going to go closer to it. Then we can time lapse this video as well. And now I can go a little bit ahead now. Let's go a little bit ahead. And as we go a little bit ahead, let's get a little bit of a shot. We're going towards here. A little bit shot of here. Let me just move the drone, pan it downwards. Let's get a little bit shot of this. Shot of the road. Yep, let me just set my home point to where my controller is. Now we can just tour this area. You know what, I might go a little bit closer so you can be closer to the drone. So you can get a nice shot. We're gonna keep getting this shot. I'm gonna get a shot of this building over here. I'm gonna go a little bit up. So when I flew here in November, this building wasn't that developed. Now it's more developed, a lot more. Let's go a little bit closer. Let's get a shot of this area as well, and this area. A lot of traffic jam. Just update my home point to the controller. Yep. So just gonna get a shot of this building again, like what I did in November. Behind that building. There's a building behind and my drone went a little bit lower. So yeah, that can easily happen. So that building is literally in front of my drone. So I'm just gonna walk so I can see the drone. Which I can see the drone perfectly now. So yeah, I gotta be careful. But I trust this drone technology a lot. Like it can come back. It has a good return to home feature. So if the drone ever loses connection, it will come back by itself. And I trust it. So let's head a little bit back. So you've got a train as well. You've got Elizabeth line. Come a little bit backwards. We get a backwards shot and then we get a front facing shot as well. So you've got 30% now. I want to get a shot of this area. Let me just go a little bit backwards so we can get a backwards shot. So let's get a shot of this building here. So it's going to stay around there. We're not going to go too far. We're going to stay static. Well, let's bring the drone. Actually, no, let's leave it here. Because I want to carry on getting this shot. I want to go towards it. And the only way I can go towards it is to go backwards so I can see that building better, to make sure my drone doesn't go behind anything. So now I can go behind. So yeah, now I can get a shot of it. Actually, we're at 23% now. There's no point now. Let's get like a short shot of this. It's gonna stay here for a bit. for like 2 seconds. Alright, let's start heading back now. Don't want to risk the drone not coming back. So right over here anyway. Let's get a static shot. I've got to make sure my home point's updated so I know where I'm going. But although I do know where I'm going, I just want to make sure it lands in the right place because I walked a bit further down. So we get a nice shot of the road as we go down. Got to be careful with those pylons. Obviously we're not going to hit that. Got to stop that beat. That looks sick, that shot of the traffic. I'm going to land it now. We're going to land it right here. With the beeping away from the mic. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, it was a bit windy today, but it was well worth it for this video. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video now. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next one.